Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get alerts when I upload new content for you all, and smash the like button. Make sure you stay all the way to the end because I'm revealing a secret tip. It doesn't matter which route you take. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, investing, real estate, or whatever business you're trying to make money from. It takes money to put into all of those businesses. Let's take a look at network marketing and affiliate marketing. You want to purchase the product because you have to be sold on it in order to make a sale on the product. Because if you're not sold, either will your business partner. You have to be taking action every day in your business. True success does not happen overnight. $100 a day can happen, but I'm not guaranteeing anyone's success because I don't know you and what you are capable of. You can't treat this as a hobby. You have to treat it as a business because truthfully that's what it is. And if you're all in on your business, you want to put money into ads, but you got to test and tweak everything. That is for a whole nother video to be continued for tomorrow. Here's my secret tip of the day. If you have little to no funds starting out, you want to save everything you can so you can turn around and put that money into your business so you can grow your business. You can find a link down below that has a 7-day free trial that you can get started now, and there's training to get you started in the right direction. Click on the first link down below to get started. Also, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.